Makikita pa kaya natin si Krista? Yun yung tanong dito eh. Na-weirdohan ako. Daan lang, ama, make aral pa. Aral well, ning, I'm so inget. Yan, aral pa more. Charot! Unahin muna natin aral, guys. Alam mo ba nilalaro ko din yan now. Nakalimutan ko na yung ibang nangyari. Ano yung season 3? Nilaro mo ulit? Alas na si Krista. Di ko pa to nalalaro eh. Season 4 na dapat agad. Huwag ka maingay dyan, Ken. Masarap ba ulam mo? Ay, ang ganda ng graphics ngayon, guys. Kakaiba na naman yung graphics. Nag-iiba ba sila ng ano? Ng animators? Ganda rin yan sa inis. Thank you for sharing the live, Nix. Get tapos mo na yan para pagtapos ka naman sila manonood.
Hey,
ha?
David,
Sa akin naman sila manonood. Tama.
Traffic is backed up for miles.
Mas maganda po season 4. Hindi ka po late. Kakaumpisa pala natin, Nix.
No.
Skybound na may Aryan na.
Tried.
Oh.
You're a piece of shit. You know that?
By the way, kakatapos ko lang
One time.
laruin yung
Just the
Walking
one
Dead.
goddamn time that you needed to be here. I tried.
Kita mo?
Please, I
Nahihirapan
tried.
pa ako
You
huminga.
tried. You fucking tried?
Ay! Gagalit agad, guys. Umpisa tayo. Gagalit
Everyone's here.
agad.
They've been here for days. And where the
Kaya
fuck were
ganyan
you?
na graphics, iba na may-ari.
We're
Oh,
there,
okay.
all around him. People
Sa
who
final
love
season,
him
ang ganda
all
ng
around
plot
him.
twist kaya.
And he's scared.
Oh,
I'm
hanggang
seeing the
season
panic in
5
his
lang
eyes,
to,
and he's searching the
no?
room. ¿Dónde está Javier? ¿Dónde está mi hijo?
Ay, shit.
I'm there.
Thank you for
Right beside him,
following
holding his
Asteroids. Buhay si Nick.
Son.
OMG! Good for
And he
Nick!
doesn't even see me.
Thank you
He
for
doesn't
sharing
even
the
see me
live,
because he's looking
Aton.
for you.
Ang taray ng ng
You don't think
graphics.
there's a million places we'd rather be? You don't think we all had to make sacrifices? He was my dad too.
Ay,
Alright?
iyak siya.
I mean, you're not.
Ang bilis mo naman.
You're
Parang
not the only
kahapon
one
lang
dealing with
season
this.
1, F1.
And what a
Grabe.
fine son you turned out to be.
Kailan ba ako nag-start?
Uncle Javi?
Oo, parang last week lang ata din ako
Why
nag-start.
are you fighting?
Grabe kasi mambudol yung yung mga tao sa chat,
I
guys.
can hear you from inside. What's going on?
Don't worry, Gabe.
We're just playing.
We're just horsing around.
Kaya kapag pagtanda
Just a joke
niya,
between brothers,
may
you know?
paglaro lang din
Yeah.
siya.
Your uncle doesn't know how to take anything seriously.
Nalingat lang kami saglit. Wag kasi kayo pipigit,
Go
guys.
inside, mijo. We'll be in a minute.
Bawal pumikit.
Go on. It's okay.
Episode 3 na to,
Inside.
aray ko, wag ganun. Parang dati lang hindi pa ako mod. Oo nga eh. Parang, alam niyo guys, binilang ko ako nakailang stream na ako for this. Parang pang-anim ko pa lang to. Parang mali. Ang bilis, sobra. Sabi ko
I should call
originally,
Pick up the body.
isang episode kada stream. Naging 3, naging 2. Ay, grabe ba? Ay, wait lang guys. May tanong pala ako. Wala ba yung season 2 na parang yung sa
I love
season
you,
1 na
little buddy.
400 days? Hindi
You
ko
know
pa
that, right?
na-check eh. Kaya, wait lang.
With everything going on. Well, you got a pretty funny way of showing it.
Ilang F ba now? Hindi ko pa na-check.
You think I was jealous of you.
Wala. Sayang naman.
No, I don't think anything.
What if buhay si Lee sa susunod na season
Well,
5
I
Walking
was.
Dead? What if?
For a long time.
No? Biglang may nag-revive sa kanya.
You've lost more than I'll ever have.
Kasi guys, hindi ko
But
naman
maybe
pinatay
something
si
good
Lee eh.
can come out of all this.
So, posibleng hindi pala siya naging zombie.
need you here.
Sorry.
It's time to grow up. You can't run from this. Not anymore.
I know. You're right. I won't even
Ibang
argue.
tao na naman to.
I'll be around more, honestly. You can
Count
count on
on
it.
it, huh?
Ilan tatapusin ko
wanna
ngayon?
believe that.
2 lang po.
I do.
Mabait po tayo ngayon kasi ayaw natin malate sa trabaho. Pagpahinga na natin siya.
I'm so sorry.
Sino? Baka mamatay
I'm so
siya.
sorry.
Napunta lang siya sa resident. May
Let's go
memo na ba?
inside.
Ano
Mom
yan?
needs you. What happened? Come on.
Yun nga, kaya tayo 9 tayo nag-start ngayon para ano, para mga 1 tapos tayo. Medyo ano pa, kaya pa. Kaya pa mahihabol yung tulog dati kasi makakatulog ako ng mga 2 o'clock, ganun. Bilis, nasa season 3 na. Sorry, nag-a-addict tayo, guys. At least, di ba, laro lang ina-addict natin. Pati ako nalilate sa trabaho, huwag ganyan. Huwag dati ituloy yan. Maaga na nga ako kanina. Parang 30 minutes early ako sa trabaho kanina.
I tried. I'm so sorry.
Natutuwa ako sa mga streamer na nilalaro rin yung mga nalaro ko ng
He's in a better
games.
place, Mama.
Ano pa ba nalaro mo dyan? Grind sa Walking Dead, ah. Actually, guys, mahilig talaga ako mag-grind sa ano, sa mga laro. Kapag yung sa GTA RP, puro ganun lang ginagawa ko, nag-grind lang ako na nag-grind dun. Mario sa family computer, di ko yun naabutan. Gavin. May Game of Thrones ba? Parang hindi ko nakita yung Game of Thrones sa Telltale. Parang ang angas naman nun.
Thirsty, baby? You want some juice?
Pero okay lang ba na
Grandpa's
hindi ko
cup is
hindi ko napapanood yung series niya?
You don't have to fill his cup up anymore, baby. Grandpa is sleeping.
Okay.
No, Yaya. People's awake.
True ate, magugustuhan mo yun. Yung ano, yung Game of Thrones. Aray mo. Nalatata tuloy yung edad ko. Wala akong matatago dito, Gavin. Oo. Yaya she. Hi, Muertos. Muertos is Lola, diba? Muertos? Para siyang... yung Muertos, parang yung plato. Asan si Clem? Hindi ko alam kung nasan si Clem. Grabe, ibang-iba yung graphics natin this season.
Rafa.
Sino pinili mo sa
¿Cómo es esto
season 2? Si
posible?
Kenny! Si Tito Kenny, my love! Ayun na nga. Huwag mo sabihin ako na to. Ito na ako.
Calma, soy yo, David. Estás en tu casa.
Denso! Anong Densta? Thank you for the heart ni Anonymous. Kala ko naka-live ka ngayon, Anonymous. Nakita kitang nag-live nung pa-live pa lang ako. Imbis na walkers tawag, Bertos tawag nila dyan. Oh, okay. Bakit? Zombie yun? Yung Bertos? Social eh. Ay, taray.
David!
Okay. Nag-testing lang.
I'm sorry, Papa.
Nakakatuwa panoorin yan si Anonymous na nagugulat sa lahat. Ginawa ba namang boxing yung ano,
We need to go.
yung
We need to
zombie?
get her to the hospital.
Let me look at it. Gabriel, where's your sister? Keys! Where the fuck are the keys?
Take Dad's car. Keys are on the dash. Mama.
Grabe, para
Get the
tayo
kids.
nag,
Meet at the
ano,
hospital. Don't take the
nagbagong
highway.
game.
It's blocked.
Kasi may introductions ulit, ganun. Ghost in Spanish yung Muertos yata.
I'll bring the van around.
Where's Mari?
Okay.
I don't know.
Mija,
Para siyang plato talaga.
Mariana, we have to go.
Asan
Yaga's
ang
hurt.
Muertos?
on,
Amiga,
honey,
asan
we
yung
have to go.
Muertos natin dyan? Ilabas mo na.
It's okay, baby. It's okay.
County General Hospital. I know the way.
Kubiertos ba yun? At least... okay. Thank you. Visit. At least, sounds like, yeah. Pero maganda din yung Muertos kasi. Maganda yan. Thank you po. Charot. Maganda nga yung game. Parang nagbabagong game tayo sa sa season na to. Ano kaya nangyari kay Tito Kenny at Clem? At si AJ? Game Reco. Ano bang trip mong laro? Thank you for sharing the live again, Ato. Patay na sa akin si Lee at saka si Carly. Lungkot!
Tell me when it reaches the campfire.
Pinatay mo si Lee?
I don't think I've seen this many. It's definitely growing.
Malalaan
Yeah,
sa susunod
not a
na
great sign.
kabanata. Filipino.
Damn it.
Walking
I left my
Dead
water
Gamer.
bottle.
Wow, what a find.
Or just
What a
out there.
find. Tapos susunod-sunod na yan. Kasi
Just under
guys,
4
yung
hours.
FYP ko
Come
talaga
on.
puro
We should keep
Walking
moving while the
Dead.
kids are asleep.
Yeah.
Hindi na nauubos pagka-scroll ko. Walking Dead. Walking Dead. Tapos minsan Left 4 Dead. Same Pare-pareho tayo. Hindi na tayo makakatakas guys. Nandito na tayo sa sa game na to talaga. Sana hindi nyo siya napapaniginipan. Di pa naman ako umaabot sa ganun.
Looks like the herd is speeding up a little. I thought it was drifting southwest,
Kailan
but
pa ako
I'm not sure
mamamatay
anymore.
dyan? Hindi ka mamamatay dito, Rick. Huwag ka
Every time I
mag-alala.
think we should just bed down somewhere and wait for it to pass. I
Araw-araw
can't
na
shake the thought
lang
of us getting caught in the middle of
Mag-relapse
it.
kay Lee talaga. Talagang mismo na
Just
si
keeps
Lee, no?
It's slow, but that almost makes it worse. Makes it feel like we're in control.
It'd definitely be nice to stop.
Nagbabalorant ka ba?
Wow.
Yes po, nagbabalorant
I don't
po
know.
ako. Pero
Feels
hindi
risky.
po ngayon.
Well, not if we find somewhere secure.
Umiiwas po tayo sa Valorant kasi
We'll
ang
figure it
daming
out.
nakakainis
We
po doon.
always do.
Season 2 ka pa lang kahapon
I'm gonna sneak a snack.
Kahapon, wala ako
I can't believe
kahapon.
we found weed.
Sino yung pinapanood mo?
People
Hala.
were probably growing this before they realized they needed food.
You really think we should be smoking now?
Relax. Mariana's got headphones on and Gabe is drooling. I think we're in the clear.
My God. Sobrang responsible parent, guys, right here. Very responsible. We love
want
it so
some?
much. No thanks.
Nah. No thanks.
Mag-away na lang
One of
tayo.
us should be sober.
Don't judge me.
I am judging you. Sana pala
Oh,
sila
when I found out David had kids, I
Larry
told
tsaka
him
Lee dito.
I am not changing who I am around them. And when he proposed, I reminded him
Huh?
that I'm not exactly stepmother material.
Nasaan na pala? Napapaisip.
Case in
Hi,
point.
Ree! Magandang
He was
gabi.
reassuring, but
Ngayon lang
yeah,
ulit
I could tell he was
nakanood.
worried
Sobrang
about it.
busy sa pod.
I knew he'd
Don't
try to
worry,
get me to change.
ko pa lang din, kakastream ko lang ulit now.
Or at least he'd hope that being around the kids more would change me, you know?
If it helps. I think you're doing a
Yeah,
fine
wala
job.
pa sila. Tulog pa sila.
Don't
Sila
be
Lee tsaka si
cheesy.
Larry.
All right? I'm not fishing for
Naiiwas si
compliments.
Palunok
Well.
na lang.
You caught one, all right? So, now what?
I used to talk shit
Ay,
about all those mothers
really?
who'd go on about raising their kids being the hardest thing in the
Na
world.
natin. Hindi familiar yung lahat ng
Gabe's making me
characters
start to
dito
think they
eh.
had a point.
Thank you for
His mood swings
following
are just... I don't
Di
know.
Hongo.
Some days I just want to live by the side of the road.
Arigato
joking.
gozaimasu.
Jesus. Obviously.
Look, I didn't sign up for this either. Sometimes
Oo,
life decides for you.
nagpapakahirap ka ng
That's
ng
something
username
deep,
eh. My God. What is this?
No. No, it didn't.
Thank you for following
I love these
Hakariel.
But I could
Ba't
do
parang
without
wala
Gabe
si
reminding
Yoshi
me
ngayon?
I'm not his
Nandyan
mother when
yan!
he's pissed.
Kanina pa nga nagsasalita
He's a
yun
teenager.
eh.
Puberty, hormones.
Kaya nga kahit ako
Second you
napapatanong
start
anong
getting
name
boners,
ng
the
mga
whole world
karakter
starts
nila
to get dark.
What are you talking about? Sounds delightful compared
Pero
to
ang
dealing with
interesting
bloody
mag-aral
underwear.
talaga ng ganyan, ng characters. Wait, follow din
Christ.
kita sa other account ko. Wow, ang
need to get
sipag.
laid.
Thank you so much. Sana nababasa ko yung other account mo, di ba?
I realized that was an awkward transition. Sorry about that.
Oh, I can pull over. It wouldn't take a minute.
Wouldn't be worth it for just a minute.
Guys, hinahunt na tayo nung tulog. Wait lang.
Hey, Mariana.
Hinahunt na tayo nung tulog,
Shouldn't we be,
guys.
uh,
Nag-follow na rin siya
sleeping?
sa atin. Parang
Or something?
nagpaparinig na yung tulog.
I already know you guys do drugs.
That's a pretty severe way of phrasing it, Mariana. Don't tell Gabe.
He's the one who
Okay.
told me.
Oh
Aw.
my god. You're even smoking in the car now?
All right. Everyone roll the windows down before you all get contact high. We're about to make a supply stop.
Una na sila, nanonood pa ako eh. Sino yung nauna? Ang ganda nung sasakyan nila, guys. Pang ano, pang apocalypse. Pwede lagyan ng ano, ng mga spikes. Tulog. Ayun pala. Siya na lang matulog mag-isa, no? Saan kayo si Clem? Gusto ko si Clem lang. Tsaka si Kenny Boy. Ito naman eh. Marunong naman pala mag-drive yung babae. Sana nagpalitan sila, di ba? Nakalimutan ko yung poging character na yun. Eto ba?
You praying for our safety, Mari?
Huwag ka mag-skip ng
I'm
explore
praying I
dyan,
find a candy bar.
ikutin mo lahat. Okay, noted.
All
Yan yung
right.
sasakyan ng sa
What do we
Land of
actually
the
need?
Dead. Ano yung Land of the
a
Dead?
candy bar.
Need, Mariana, not want.
Really need a candy bar.
Sounds
You heard the
like a
crowd.
candy bar.
Please, God, let there be candy bars.
Amen.
All right. Well, let's start with
Sige.
some gas and move up from there.
Yikes. Bago na naman controls natin, guys, para mamamatay na naman tayo dito, ah. Movie, Land of the Dead, hindi ko pa yun napapanood. Zombie din?
Where are you going?
Okay, that's cool. Have fun. Jesus.
Parang hindi nila nanay
Never
tong
ends with him.
babae. Thank
hate
you
when
for
they fight
following
like I really
thank you
hate
for
it.
following hard.
It's like all Gabe wants to do is argue. Doesn't matter what it's about.
Hey, I know, that's what families do.
Hi to other account
They fight,
ni Chinese
they
username.
cup,
Kahit Japanese
And they fight all
yon.
over again.
Charot.
least you
Heart
have
ka
your
naman
efforts.
dito.
Yeah, but the batteries have been dead for a couple of weeks.
Attitude talaga, Gabe eh.
I mostly wear
Siguro
them for
ano
you
to,
guys.
Gen Z.
It's easier to stay out of it that way.
Well, when you put it that way, I wish I had a pair too.
You can borrow mine if you want.
Stepmom
I
lang
might just have to
siya.
do that.
Eh
Be
kasi,
nice to find some dinner.
ang
In
bata
a
niya
junkyard.
tingnan.
You never
Tingnan
know.
yun,
These past
nakatirintas
4
pa
years,
siya.
people
oh.
have been hoarding all kinds of shit in all kinds of places.
Hindi nga sila yung parents yan. Yung isa,
Oh, and
yung
Mari,
sa kapatid
if
niya,
there's
diba?
any trouble-
Ito.
You find one of these cars.
Yeah?
Lock yourself in and don't come out. Not even once it's quiet. And wait as long as you can.
Okay.
Okay.
Good girl.
Ano sinasabi ni Asta, guys? Di mo kasi pinapakinggan si Kate. Sinabi yun. Oo nga eh. Sorry. Medyo na-excite pa ako eh. O, sabi ulit na. Ang cool! Pero medyo nakakahilo guys yung graphics niya for this game, this season ah.
Hey,
Chica
Any
is
luck, kiddo?
everything. Yes,
I
of
need a pen.
course.
Or a pencil.
Lipat ako sa other
Just
account ko.
something to
Wow,
write with.
sipag talaga.
Mariana, could you please look for gas instead?
There's just something I really want. I really need to do. And I need a pen for it.
You need a pen
Last
for
night
it,
I was
pero hindi
thinking
mo
about
kaya
this stupid
maghanap for
story
it.
My mom used to tell me all the time before bed. I used to hate it.
Hi Arisu, magandang gabi. Thank you for
Then I realized
sharing the
I
live.
don't remember the ending. It was this goofy ending she thought was so funny and I thought was so dumb.
Super miss ko
wanna
na
write
si
down
Glenn
everything
kahit
I
nung
can
Friday ko
remember
lang
about
siya
everything.
nakita.
Cause if I forget,
Bakit
And
gusto,
they're all
bakit
gone,
kailangan?
I'm
Ba't
kinda gone
kailangan
too.
siya i-trash talk,
least a little bit.
Yoshi?
I just think that might be kind of important. Maybe.
We came here for supplies. That's it.
Yes.
Come on, kiddo. You know the drill by now.
Okay. In a minute.
Okay. Masarap ang pancit canton pag may itlog. Yes. Ang sarap. Tas calamansi flavor pa, no?
Waste oil.
Sarap.
No use to us.
Actually, sabi nga nila, 'di ba? Mas matured si Kate kaysa kay Gabe. Sabi nga nila mas tumatanda, mas nagmamature agad ang babae kaysa sa lalaki. We're built like that, guys. Charot!
Nothing good left. Someone picked it clean.
Sana makahanap na ako ng Clementine ko. Alagaan mo yun, asteroids.
Just rotting bits of old rubber and tires. Most of the
Kasi
dashboard is
pag
torn out.
mag-isa lang
Seats
kami,
are
matured
gone.
kami, nakakapagod.
This thing's dead.
Ah! Kami din naman pag mag-isa kami. Matured din kami. Uy, wow! May walk faster tayo ngayon, guys. Ang galing. I love it. I mean, ang ganda niya kasi. Basta
Okay.
iba yung charisma.
Now
Gusto mo
I'm
yung,
sorry I
yung
did
cool. Ayaw mo kila ano? What do you call this? Kila Jane? Ganun din naman sila Jane
Oh,
ah.
that's gross.
Lahat talaga lilibutin. Masunurin akong bata eh. Grabe ang dami ah. O yan, yan.
You
Anong
find anything?
ginagawa niya dyan?
I can't stop thinking about that herd. We get caught in it, and,
Thank you
and
for
that's it.
the share,
Peace, asshole.
Puroy.
Can't charm your way on
Wag,
that one.
wag na yun si Jane.
Be gone in seconds.
Hey, don't think about that. We're careful. We're smart.
Yes.
We'll stay ahead of them.
Luck runs out just as easily as gas.
Minute mo
There's
ako
gonna be a
last
last
night.
one,
Di
you
naman
know?
spoil yun eh.
A last tank of gas. Last piece of food. What if this
May
place is empty?
nagre-reklamo.
And the next. And the next.
We're not gonna let that happen.
Ang
Okay.
lawak-lawak tang mundo. May mahanap at mahanap kayo
Okay.
dyan.
I let it have its 5 minutes. I'm
Pero
good.
paano kaya guys, no? Kung nagganito nga, nagka-apocalypse, tapos hindi ka marunong mag-drive. Magbabump cars ka na lang talaga. Bump cars yarn.
That could hold a
Excuse me,
lot of
tanong
gas.
lang po, paano
Could be really
magsimula
handy if we stay
mag-stream?
for a while.
Ang alam ko, kailangan mo magkaroon muna ng 50 followers sa TikTok para makapag-stream ka. It's either sa phone or sa sa PC, pwede. Pag sa PC, kailangan mo mag-download ng TikTok Studio. Eh. Ay, baby. Bata siya, guys. Ay, bawal na siya tingnan. Kuha na ulit tayo. Mag-e-bike ka, te. Mag-e-bike na lang. Mom, di ba ako mahahabol nun, guys? Obligado ka talaga matuto
Not
mag-drive kasi need mo
But every bit
makasurvive.
helps.
Ayun nga eh, kaso hindi mo naman i-expect, di ba, kung kailan dadating yan, yung apocalypse. Paano nga kung kung hindi ka nga marunong nun, magbabump-cars ka na lang
Certainly.
talaga.
Handy for welding, but not much else.
Deserve ko naman maging malaya sa live. Ayusin mo kasi, wag mo ginagalit ang mods natin. Zen. Kaya na baka
Come
mahal
to
yung
Papa.
gasolina. Kinukuha na sa iba, no?
Barely anything. I'll need to find more.
Pwede ba sumabit na lang? Saan ka sasabit kung walang
I don't
umaandar
think these
na
tires would fit the van.
na kotse? Eh di bangga-bagga, di ba? Ay, sino ka dyan, boy? Sino ka dyan? Angas ka na dyan.
What's going on in there, buddy?
Saan yung turf mo? Porket once
I'm in a bad mood,
buti
okay?
pa yung naka-live.
I wanted to go away, but
Ate, di naman ganyan.
it won't.
Wag mo kasi inaaway,
Wish we weren't always
Zen.
on the road.
Wag mo
I like being
awayin.
with other people. Just,
Tsaka kung ano naman sinabi
You're in
mo
that
nun,
car
for sure
so
spoil
damn long.
yun. At lahat naman
The
ng
AC hasn't worked in
minimute nila
ages.
may reason.
and then it ate my last damn tape.
We still got each other. It's better
Did
than
you
nothing,
choose
right?
Jane or Kenny? I chose
I don't know.
Kenny!
Maybe just leave me alone.
Okay. But if you want to talk later, I
Hi, Edge! Meron ka
Around.
bang fact check na naman today? Thank you for sending the fire, Edge. Ang dami niya naman nakukuha, guys. Na para bang
bingo.
nag-i-inflate lang talaga siya eh. Ayan talaga. May ginawa ka! May ginawa ka, Zen. Hindi pwedeng wala kang ginawa, nag-mute yan. Ang babait ng mga mods natin dito para i-ano ka, i-mute ka na walang saysay, 'di ba? Thank you for sharing the live,
Looks like there's more to
Asta.
see up here.
Mag-aaway ba at dito sa comment ha? Thank you guys sa ano ha. Wait, wag muna tayo umakyat. Thank you for entertaining guys. Pinaktis niyo ba yan? Thank you for sharing the live, Nix.
Tires, paint cans, old newspaper. All that's left in this
Ba't di
junkyard
makita
is...
comment ba? Nakikita naman comment
Junk.
Marie. Where's Luke? Wala na si Luke, patay na po siya. Diba? Nakita mo yun, Edge ka, nung ano, na Friday, yes? Should I go up? I'm going up. Ayan. Umiiyak kasi yung isa dyan.
Any luck?
Ang dami
So.
yung sinabi.
Not enough. Hey, Gabe. Let's go take a look over there.
Pinatahimik na
Babe,
talaga.
Stay close to Javi. Got it?
Ang cute niyo. Nakakainis. Ang dami niya pa kasi sinasabi. Alam ko naman nag-spoil siya. It's either nag-spoil siya or may sinabi siyang bastos kasi may nabasa ako nun eh.
Hey, look. There's one they never took to pieces.
Good catch.
Gas muna, syempre.
Shit. It's locked.
Okay. Medyo,
All right.
kinakabahan
There
ako
goes
doon sa
nothing.
suspense. Wow.
Fuck yeah.
Natatawa ako ma. Kapag duck talaga, pinapatahimik eh.
Look at all that fuel.
Spoiler alert, may mamamatay sa season na yan. Cute.
This is gonna take a while.
Where's Clemmy? Hindi ko alam kung nasan si Clemmy. Parang nag-open nga tayo ng bagong game.
Oh well.
Kasi ibang
At
tao.
least it had some gas. Shit.
Gulat. Mag-isa lang siya. Siguraduhin mo muna mag-isa siya, Shen. Siguraduhin mo. Ano,
Looks like it
isang
came from in
tama lang? Hindi
Gabe,
ko makikita
stay
nila dyan
close.
si Clem. Ooh. Let's see, let's see. Yes, nandito pa rin si Clementine. Kasi nga, hindi nga siya namatay, guys. Nakita ko din sa menu eh. Minamin na naman. Mamamaya ano na naman yan. Tanong ko lang, te, sa season 1 about kay
Might be
Molly,
able to get into
nabuhay
the
ba
hatch.
yun? Yes, hindi naman natin nakitang namatay si Molly. So, I think buhay si
I'm not gonna
Molly.
be able
Kasi
to pry this open.
may survival skills naman din siya eh. Okay. Tingnan tayo ng ibang way. Least fave ko this season, by the way, sino pinili mo? Jane, si Tito Kenny. Syempre si Tito Kenny na may fried chicken.
Ransacked a long time ago.
Anong tinitingnan mo dyan, boy? Ay, dyan tayo dadaan. What the heck? Totoo ba? Guys, kung ako talaga, never kong gagawin yan. Alam niyo yung sa mga horror movies, ito talaga yung pinapasukan nila. Parang timang, di ba? Thank you for following, Bon Sobre. May kubiertos na naman sa loob niya. Okay, may kubiertos pala. Shems! Ba't kayo ganyan? Ba't ganyan? Ba't ganun muna, oh? Gogs. Ano, chikon? May chikon.
Gabe, come check this out.
Si Tito Kenny kasi siya yung may-ari
Not
ng
that clean,
KFC,
this
guys.
Oh, no muertos at least.
No
Just
no
be
more
careful.
muertos at least. No more muertos. Oh. Anong tawag dito? Spanish ba to, guys?
Wow, this place is decked out.
Your comment blah blah blah. Baka tumatawa ka. For some reason, bawal kang tumawa sa TikTok. Oo, bawal maraming caps ng ha.
Are you kidding me?
Lucky for
Tama
you,
lang dapat yung
they
sa'yo
put
natin,
enough
guys.
preservatives in this stuff to last for centuries.
Ayan,
There's enough food
nagwa.
in here to keep us going for a long time.
Mexican language po ang muertos. Okay, okay. Ay, wow, nakapunta ka dito. Tapos hindi ka pa rin nakakita ng ballpen. Ate,
Oh,
kung
check
may
it out.
camera lang ako,
This is
makikita mo ako
actual,
magulo.
honest to God,
Sayang nga.
pudding.
Seriously?
Sayang din talaga yung
It's
opportunity.
not just
Sana
food. There's a mattress.
pag-ipunan mo
there's
magkaroon
blankets.
ng camera
Someone
kasi
else's
nakakatawa talaga yung
Someone
ginagawa
else's
mo, Anonymous.
blankets. We need to just take our gas and get on the road.
Well, you gotta admit, it's kind of cozy in here.
The van is cozy. This is creepy.
Come on, one night. We bunk
Gusto ko lang
down,
matulog
eat
eh.
a real meal.
It would be nice not to sleep in the van for a change.
Ang sakit kaya sa puwet
Please.
nung
The
nandun ka
herd is
sa
coming
kotse
if
na
it's not here
tutulog.
already. We should go and get ahead of it before it's too late.
The fence is reinforced.
Asan yung
We'll
pogi?
be fine. We found this. Why can't we just enjoy it?
Javi, can we? We could
Kailangan
stretch
natin
out,
umurong,
sleep
guys.
well for once.
Come on, you know it's not a big deal.
Guys, baka
We got
magalit kayo
guns.
sa akin.
We can protect ourselves.
Okay, mag-move
We
ako.
gotta get what we came
Mag-move
for
tayo.
and get out of here.
Great. Another shitty cramped night in our shitty cramped van. Hooray.
Come on. Let's at least grab the food.
Oo, kunin nyo. Siyempre, pwede naman yun eh. Anong pagdadrama yan, boy? Ikaw na nga pinili. Decision mo na nga pinili. Ang cute ni Mariana. Yes, ang cute niya. Parang siyang hindi nanay. Ay, ito pala si Mariana. Nalito na ako.
Oh, guess what? Now,
Hala, na-late ako. Hindi
You
ka
can really
masyado
drown us out.
na-late. Wala pa naman masyado nangyayari. Usap-usap lang, Lloyd. Biggest multo mo. Bakit?
Thanks for that. Backing me up and all. How does it feel to be the bad guy this time? It must be a new sensation for you.
We're in this together.
Oh boy,
We're
sleeping in the van
all
again?
in this together.
All I'll say is you definitely owe me one.
Nakita na ba dyan
Yeah,
yung
well,
backstory?
You owe me like a
Yung
dozen.
before the
so
virus?
I'll just shave it off your
Yeah.
tab.
Yung umpisa, yes, yes.
Hey, Kate.
Yung lolo,
Can you
naging
come help us
ano?
with this?
Naging zombie? Naging muertos?
Hey, wait, but you...
This way you can make up for being the bad guy.
Ayan na yung candy
Thanks.
bar! Mo,
Grab some gas.
nahanap!
We need to head out soon.
Si Krista. Ano meron kay Krista tsaka si Omid? At ano thoughts
What the
mo sa
fuck
new
you think you're
character
doing with
so
our
far?
gas?
Wala pa akong attachment. Ooh,
Go
no.
on, speak up!
I'm sorry, man. Look, it's just a can. We needed it really bad.
Ba't mo kasi iniwan?
Fucking knew it. There's more than just you out here.
Pwede ka naman umakyat
You ain't
doon
the
sa
loner
stairs.
type.
Hawak-hawak yun eh. Bano
I can
naman
tell.
ito eh.
I know you got people.
No, I'm alone. Honestly, people just slow me down.
You just said we, you lying fuck. We!
Ito yung mga
Fan
pogi
out,
na
look for the
hinahanap.
others.
Ito ba?
Lonnie, you're with me.
Wala, hindi pogi para sa akin, guys.
Hey, you assholes in there! I got your boy! You don't want him getting shot, you best come out there careful with your hands up. Go on, you first. You get ambushed by your own people, that shit's gonna make my day.
Pero legit talaga,
Open it real
feeling ko
slowly.
kapag nagkaroon ng apocalypse, mas matatakot pa talaga ako sa mga tao kaysa sa zombie. Paano nga na po na ulit namatay si Luke, nakalimutan ko na, nahulog po siya dun sa ice, what do you call that? Basta yung ice, skating rink? Wala kasi ganun sa
Looks like
Pilipinas
you and
eh.
your friends had a real feast, huh?
Hindi nga eh. Di pa nga kami
Can't
nakakain, no?
just take what you like. I don't roll over like that.
Look, we hardly took any. Really, someone must have been here before us.
Look, I get it, all right? You're starving. Who the fuck is it? At the end of your rope, thought you hit pay dirt. Honest mistake. But I got this sneaky
Ano balak
fucking
pataguan?
feeling.
Or san... Oh. San
That
ka
you're full of
base
shit.
kung sakali magka-zombie pa? Di ba sa Jollibee?
I ain't gonna let it be like last time some assholes rolled
Sa
on us.
grocery,
Keep an
syempre,
eye on
doon
this
ako
dickhead. I
pupunta
wanna grab
agad.
some cuffs.
You got
Gusto
it.
ko ng pagkain, guys. Doon ako magtatago.
Just chill, okay? No need to make this any harder.
Look, just let me go, okay? Please.
Nope. Look, man. This doesn't have to go. The fuck
Ay,
was that
inubo
noise?
pa.
What you got hiding under there, boy?
Oh no. Oh no. Ba't sa
If you know something, you
airport?
better
Ang,
spill it.
ang laki, ang lawak nun.
You don't want me finding out for myself. Guys, get the fuck in here!
Bugs, wala ka
Holy
pala,
shit.
boy. Tinago niya pa. Ba't binaba niya? SNR tayo, yes. Yung mga ganun, guys, maganda dun. Kasi dun sa SNR, pwede ka pa umakyat
have to
dun sa
pay
mga
for what
ganun,
you
no?
done
Hindi
here.
ka maabot ng mga zombies. Ba't kasi niya binaba yung gun, guys? Anong trip na tong lalaking to? Parang, ano yun? May germs, kaya ayaw mo hawakan? Parang sira. Kalma, kalma. Nakakainis eh. Ay, wow.
Hey, my family, where are they? What did you do with my family? Please, man.
Just do us both a favor and pretend you're still asleep. I wouldn't start talking if I were you. You're lucky we do
Okay.
things a certain way. I'm already tempted to put a bullet in your
Okay.
brain for what you did to Lonnie back there. If we start talking, I'm gonna get angry.
There's gotta be a way we can work all this out. You know? Make a deal or something.
It ain't my call, all right? You best be glad it ain't.
Please, just...
Stop, all right? You don't want me riled up, kid.
Alam
Not
mo,
another
I
word,
don't
or God
trust
help me,
people
I'll
yung
put you to
na
sleep myself. We
nagda-drive,
still got a
tapos
haul
hindi
ahead of us,
tumitingin sa
and I'm not
daanan.
about to listen.
Naiirita ako sa kanila. Shems!
Stop!
Ayan, ayan, ang galing mo. Ay, ang galing mo. Sayang yung, ay. Ay, nako, magiging ano pa guys, magiging zombie pa to. Ay, hindi, buhay pa siya. Okay.
Hey!
Let him go. Nagbabagong buhay na tayo guys, mabait na tayo. Ala, bakit na naman? Mali na naman yung decision ko guys! Tama pala. Okay. Thank you for the heartbeat, Maria.
That's good.
Anyong.
Just keep looking forward.
Not choose violence always.
Look, I'm no threat to you, okay? I surrender.
Well,
Clementine?
that's obvious.
Si Clementine!
Seeing how you didn't shoot that guy.
Ang ganda! Thank you for following Christian Navarro. Thank you for
Okay.
the rose,
Now,
Maria.
don't do anything stupid.
Ang
'Cause I'm
ganda
not
ng
as nice
boses
as you.
niya, guys.
I won't hesitate.
Naka-eyeliner pa ang ate mo. Sorry.
Whoa, wait, did you do that?
Kapwa mo
With the tree?
si Clem, kaso wala lang eyelash.
trying to
True.
stop the
Hala,
truck.
meron siyang scar. Ano kaya nangyari kay Clem?
Oh, shit.
Yeah. You stopped it all right.
Tree fell slower than I thought it would. Put your hands up and close your eyes.
Grabe ang angas ni Clem, guys.
I'm the victim here.
We're all victims.
Oh, so it's okay for you to rob me.
Hindi,
This is
yung
payment
tinahi niya, guys.
for saving
Nandito yung
you.
tinahi niya. Dito wala pa siyang scar nun eh.
Hey, that's for my niece. She loves
Sobrang
chocolate more
ganda
than
ni
anything.
Clem.
I promised it to her. Please.
Yes, goat si Kenny, yes.
Keep your eyes closed and count to 100 before you go.
Wait, just... My family. I need to get back to them. We were attacked, and I don't... Look, I just need
Thank
to
you
know
for
where I am.
following,
We were
Steph.
driving down the 522, and that's when we found the junkyard.
Mukha na ni
They're
Zeko
still
si
there.
Clem.
I need to get back to them.
What if ba ganyan akong buhok, no?
I know where that is. You said you were driving?
In our van,
Pareho
yeah.
kami ng
I'll
buhok,
take you
guys.
to the
Kulot din
junkyard.
ako.
If you let me have
Thank
your
you for
van.
following, Barry.
I get you there in one piece, then I drive away.
Yeah, absolutely.
Wag
got a
mong
deal.
agawan si,
Good.
si Clem.
Let's go.
Guys, di ba si Clem din naman yung gagamitin ko
This
dito?
really
Nalulungkot
necessary?
ako, hindi si Clem
I
yung
don't know you.
ginagamit ko
I
ngayon
don't
eh.
trust you, and I'm not taking any chances. So it's safer for both of us if you're tied up.
Look, I get it.
What time
Being
ka
cautious.
nagla-live test?
Glad we
Susubaybayan
understand
ko
each other.
yan. Tuwing
The
10
name's
p.m.
Javier, by the
usually,
way. People
minsan, napapaga
call me
lang
Javi.
tayo, ganun. Basta, lagi naman ako
Clementine.
nagsa-story para ma-announce ko siya.
Oh, it's nice to meet you, Clementine.
If you say so.
Nag-iba na rin, ay taray nung lakad ni Clem, ako may kembot. Pero makaya ginawa si Papi Javier para makita natin kung gaano kaangas si Clem sa ibang tao. Tama naman. Wala emergency muna yan siya. Ang bilis lumaki ni
you
Clem.
don't wanna
Parang
talk?
isang week lang, no,
Fine.
guys? Lumaki na
But how
agad
about you
siya.
give me the gun back so I can at least defend
Grabe
myself?
ang kembot.
For all I know, you'd turn around and use it on me.
You give me a weapon, we can protect each other.
I give you a weapon, I can't take my eyes off you. At least this way I know what I'm up against.
Muertos. The herd caught up with us.
Di na kailangan alalay ni Lee at Kenny. True, grabe.
What do you call them?
Walkers.
Or what do you call the ones that run?
They're all fucking walkers, okay? Look, I'm just not used to being around other people.
Pilosopo. Hindi na siya tuta dyan.
Not
Asa
for
na
a while,
siya?
anyway. Usually, it's just me on my own.
Yeah. Well, it
2
shows.
years
What?
after yan, event
Meaning you
na
can
yan.
sure
So-
use a dust up on those people
Oh,
skills.
2 years after, guys. Kaya pala ang laki niya na. Pero siya na lang mag-isa.
So, who's at this junkyard?
My brother's kids. And his wife.
It's impressive, surviving this long. Not sure how you did it.
Ano pala choice na pinili
Just
last season? Sama
keeping everyone
kay
together
Kenny
like
or
that.
hindi? Sama kay Kenny.
Well, I didn't do it alone. My, Kate helped. She did most of the work, actually.
Sounds nice. Having a partner.
It is. How about you? You must have been pretty young when this
Hindi
shit
pa
started.
pupatay si Kenny, guys.
But some people looked out for me too.
Hindi pa
What
lang
happened to
natin siya
them?
nakikita.
Same thing that happens to everyone.
Sa Sunday yan mamaya.
We can't stay
Ang
here.
body.
There's a town up ahead. We can stay there until the herd passes. Otherwise, we're walker food.
We can't make a detour. I need to get to my family.
And I need that van. But right now, you have to trust me.
Oh, you mean the way you trust me?
Don't make me regret this. Come on!
Throughout the game, may backstory dyan about sa mangyayari sa kanya sa past. Oh, sa mga nangyari. Sobrang different take siya from before. Ayan na si Lee, guys! Gising na siya! Asan na?
There!
May tao! Sino yung taong yun? May bang tao?
Get to the gate! Keep going! They'll open up!
Shit! Hey!
Open up!
Ooh, angas!
I can't open the gate till you clear them out. Can't risk it.
Okay, kaya namin yan ni Clem Crew. Hindi tumatama, guys. Ang layo. Andiyan na din si Larry.
Bullets will fire!
Ay! Ay, natamaan ko.
Get your ass inside. Come on now.
Oh, may horse pa.
Effing damn it, Francine. One of these days, those doors are gonna close and your ass will be on the other side.
Yeah, and when that day comes, Trip, I promise I'll eat you first.
It's Clementine, right? You staying a while this time?
No. Once the walkers pass, I'm taking this guy to a junkyard off the highway.
My family might be trapped there, hiding from some very bad dudes.
Well, shit. I'm truly sorry to hear that. This herd rolled in pretty quick. We're hoping it's gone just as fast.
You heard talaga, guys.
Just keep your heads
Magkakasama lang
down
talaga sila.
and steer
No?
clear of trouble. got me?
Si Torian ate.
There's too much going on outside the walls tonight.
We'll be cool. Just need a place to ride out the herd, that's all.
All right. I'm gonna hold you to that. And I wouldn't recommend changing your mind if you want to hang on to all your
Si
teeth.
Bichiante from Valorant.
Now head on
Oh.
in. I got shit to do.
Angas ng man ban niya, guys.
Well, welcome to Prescott.
Ang ganda ni Clem.
It's a pretty cool place, actually. Built from an old
Wow.
airstrip, I guess. The people, on the other hand, they're not my favorite.
Ang ganda niya eh.
Usually I'm in and out as quick as I can manage. Not exactly an option this time, though.
Hey, what's the problem? You have some sort of history here that I should know about?
Not really. I just
Sinira ni Kenny
I know
yung
what people
ulo
are capable
mo.
of.
Mas maganda kasi kung kapatalo.
Hey,
Hindi,
Father.
mas maganda si Clem.
What's up?
Mas maangas si Clem, guys.
My family. They're still out there. In the middle of all that.
If you guys made it this long, I'm sure you'll know what to do.
Hopefully.
Let's go. This way. I gotta see a guy about some bullets.
Kambing na yan si Clem eh. Bakit yung ginagawang kambing? Naglaro na rin kayo other zombie game? Resident Evil. Hindi po. Hindi ko pa nalalaro yung Resident Evil. Mga nalaro ka lang zombie. Ba? Left 4 Dead. Back 4 Blood. Ano pa ba?
Jeez. I haven't been in
Wala
a
akong
place like
maisip.
this since...
Kaya crush mo si Clem eh. Kaya pala maraming
just
may
like the
gusto
old
kay
days.
Clem. Hi
Listen,
po. Hi
I gotta take care of
Violet.
something.
Thank you for
Hang tight.
following.
Wait.
Thank you
What
for
should I do?
sharing the live,
I don't know. Why
Jorge.
don't you make some friends?
Asa na si Lee Everett ngayon? Ayan, nasa chat guys. I-mention nyo lang siya. Nandyan yan. Sumasagot. Ilaro tayo. Ba yan?
Chess. Not really my game. I think
Bano
Gabe
ka
used to
pala eh.
play, though.
Thank you for sharing the live, Aton. Nakalimutan ko tamang decision dyan. Okay.
Excuse me.
Tamang
Ah,
desisyon
you again.
kahit na ano-ano. Ako
You got some moves,
magpapaalala.
I'll give you that.
Kabisado yan.
Hold on a minute. Don't I know you from
May
somewhere?
problem ba? Diba tayo Larry
I don't
2 on 2?
Maybe.
May nag-aaway dyan.
Garcia.
Thank you for
Javier
sharing the
Garcia.
live.
For what it's worth, I think you got screwed on the gambling thing.
Caesars.
Lifetime ban.
Thank you for
Shit.
spamming the share,
Could have had
Caesars.
a 20-year career.
Sa
way I
season
see
6
it.
ata,
Nothing wrong with betting on
papakita si
yourself
Lee
to
Ever
win.
Ready. Ever Ready.
And that got a lifetime ban?
Nah, they just wanted to set an example. I was the poor bastard they used to do it on.
All I know is what I read in the papers. Anyway, I'm Conrad. This here's Francine.
He runs the place. I just take his money.
Yeah,
Wow.
well, maybe I'm just letting you win.
Oh, actually, if you're the gambling type, game's poker. 5-card stud.
Laro tayo.
I'll race you.
What do you think? Should I call or should I fold?
Don't get too intimidated. I
Uy.
lose more often than I care to admit. Though all it takes is
Call
one
his
good
bluff.
hand.
Ganda
He's
ng
bluffing.
card niya.
He's got bullshit written all over.
Is that a fact?
All right, I think I'll listen to the man. Call.
Moment of truth. Flip 'em. Oh my. Ain't that a pretty sight?
Ano yan? QQ.
Oh, hell yeah!
Nice.
Oh.
Calm down, both of you.
Thanks for the advice, hon. How's about a drink? On my tab.
Tong It's, hindi to Tong It's. Poker yun.
Oh, man, this smells like
Para siyang ano, tawag dito, pusoy dos.
That's the weak stuff.
Don't turn away from me. I'm talking to you.
Oh, shit.
May kaaway na naman si Clem.
Hey, what's the point in talking when I already told you a deal is a deal? And it's done.
Grabe,
going on?
siga na si
This guy
Clem, guys.
ripped me off.
I traded him a crate of perfectly good batteries, and he gave me a box of bullets that won't fire. He could have gotten both of us killed.
Yung
Oh, yeah?
kanina.
And who the fuck are you, a bodyguard or something? Cause I don't scare easy, alright?
She doesn't need a bodyguard. She can take care of herself. Believe me.
Well, you can't even prove those are the bullets I traded you.
Oh, hey, Clem, come on.
He knows the bullets don't work. Listen to him. He's not even nervous.
Kinabahan siya.
He could have died because of his bullets.
Unfucking believable.
So, ganun yan. Lagi tamay sa panay. O, hindi. Yes, syempre kakampihan lang natin si Clementine.
Oh, cool down, huh? You were acting
Please
crazy.
don't
I was
turn
too. We
to
just
one of them.
got a little out of hand. That's all.
Just give me what I'm owed.
Jesus.
Tama.
You gotta get her under control, man.
No.
This ain't no way to do business.
Boy, you have it wrong, buddy. I don't control her.
True.
Which looks like bad news for you.
We had a deal.
All right, hey, okay, all right. So,
Ayusin
hey,
mo.
we'll trade back. I'll find some batteries.
I don't need batteries. What I need are bullets that won't get me killed.
Oh.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh my god, guys!
Drop the gun! Right now!
Say he attacked you and that he was going for his gun.
I fucking warned you!
Eli attacked him. I only shot because...
Shut it! You done enough talking. Drop it.
There's a herd out there, and you're firing off a fucking... What the fuck happened here?
He attacked
okay,
Javi,
okay.
okay? It was self-defense.
Enough from you. Does she really have to shoot?
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes.
Look at my eye, man. Of course she's telling the truth. The guy ripped her off, reached for his gun, and would have shot me if she hadn't stopped him.
See? You happy now?
God damn it.
Medyo
putting you two under lock
kinabahan
and
ako,
key
guys.
until I
Dapat
figure out what to
pipiliin
do
ko pa yung
with
isa.
Hey, what? Are you for real?
As real as it gets. Now move it.
Got some nerve coming in here fucking up my bar.
Alisin niyo yun. Magiging zombie yun. Anyari pala sa ending mo sa season 2, di ko
I'd punch
naabutan.
your fucking lights out. Both
Umiyak
of you.
lang naman ako.
I was a grade A
Kasi ang
certified
daming
dipshit.
pinagsasabi ni Tito Kenny.
I'll even have someone come take a
Nakakaiyak
look at
po
that
siya.
cut.
Hey, thanks for having my back at the hangar.
Ang
That
ganda!
was, that was cool of you. I wasn't sure there for a minute.
Of course. Anytime. Hell, I mean, you and I are a team now.
Thanks. I mean it. Just don't think this makes us friends or anything.
Yes,
Hello?
mag-upload ako nun, guys. Huwag kayo mag-alala. Medyo nahihirapan lang ako mag-ano. Nahiya kasi ako
I'm Eleanor.
Asan po si Kenny? Hindi ko alam kung nasa si Kenny right now,
Trip
guys.
sort of overdoes it sometimes.
Hindi ko pa siya natatawagan kasi.
I hate that I'm treating you in a cage, like you're some feral animal.
Javier. Pleasure's all mine.
End it now. Now, let's see about that wound.
Totoo. Super nakakaiyak. Yung iyak natin mga, Kenny! Pwede bang
he
retake
got
tayo?
you
Walang
good.
retake.
Try to
Mapapanood
hold
yan.
still.
Ipopost ko naman yan dito, guys. Huwag kayo mag-alala.
Why is it always the pretty ones who end up
Did you
causing
go
the
with
most trouble?
Kenny or stayed at the
As if
Wellington?
good looks equal bad behavior or something.
I go with Kenny, guys. Kenny
I've
for
never
the win.
understood it.
Yeah? Well, it takes one to know one.
One.
Nagpaiwan ka sa Wellington.
One
Hindi po.
pretty troublemaker.
I'll give you that one. People are saying she killed a man in cold blood.
Season 3, yes!
If you don't mind me
Welcome back, Molly!
What did happen exactly? That they were arguing and then she went crazy over nothing?
Look, things got out of hand. Clementine was only trying to make a point, but then...
You make it sound so casual. Best thing is probably for you two to leave town and get back to your group.
Okay, we
We were
will.
attacked earlier this evening.
Kompleto na mga characters natin. Si Clementine na lang wala. Si Clementine
If
ayaw
there's anything
pumunta
I
sa
can do
chat
to help.
natin, guys.
Well, not that I have much to offer you, but I know a thing or two about losing family.
Hey, it's okay. You've done enough.
I hear you, but
Eleanor? You done yet?
just about.
All right, here's what we're gonna do. I'm driving you that junkyard myself. Get you out of my hair, and no one can say I didn't do right by no one.
Wow.
In the meantime, you two can sleep
Bait.
right here and think about what
Dapat si
shitheads
Duff
you were
din,
earlier.
kahit nakakapis.
On my
ka
terms
minsan.
and on my
Nandito,
timeline.
no? Oo nga,
You got
pwede,
me?
pwede.
Nah, no way. I need to get back on the road ASAP.
Javier, I'm not negotiating here.
Trip, it doesn't seem right to wait. Javi's people, they could need a medic.
Nuh-uh, no way. Not putting you in that kind of danger again.
That's not your call.
Look, maybe there's another way. We've got a rear gate down at the other end of the airfield. We don't use it much, but well, we could leave
Yeah,
tonight.
this is a chat.
Slip past the herd, get a jump start on reaching that junkyard.
It's too risky. And if Muertos were to somehow surround us, we...
Don't worry, it'll be fine. Anyway,
Ba't
Think
hindi
about
ako aalis, guys?
I've got to check on some patients, but I'll be back in
Hi,
an hour.
Te. Good evening. Hi, Rio. Good evening. Nakakain na
No.
ba?
I never would have guessed she had it in her.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Noted, Lau.
She's something.
She's
Thing is,
something.
maybe
Nagkagusto ako
this
sa
sounds
kanya.
weird,
Ay!
but I still trust Trip more than I trust her.
You're right. Trip's got more muscle, just in case. We'll wait and get a ride with him.
Glad you're finally listening to reason. You know,
Mas
when I met
maganda
you,
pong kasama
I
si
thought
Trip.
you'd just be another asshole like everyone else.
And to think that when we first met, you nearly blew my head off.
Siyempre ako to
Yeah,
eh.
Guess I made the right call.
At least, ba't gusto mo umalis aton?
It's gonna be a while before that herd
Ang
passes.
layo mo na, hindi
We
ko
might as well
nakita
get some sleep.
reaction mo nung nakita mo si Clem.
Good idea.
Ala, ba't ka
I'm
umalis
exhausted.
kasi?
I'll get the lamp.
Dito ka na kanina eh. Paano ko mauulit yun? Hindi kasi sabi ni Clem eh, so dun tayo. Yes, 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 yes. Tama, tama, tama. Ayan na, magba-backstory na tayo, guys. Thank you for following, Matt.
That's good.
Hello!
Getting into first gear is the hardest part.
Hello! Cute!
Now just stay on the road.
Oh, cute
Most
nila!
importantly, there is. Now let's try shifting
Ang
into
laki na ni AJ!
Not bad at all, especially for a first time.
Tika, te, ay,
You
bakit na
just gotta
nangyari?
ease up off the clutch a little smoother, all right? You don't have to make the switch all at once.
I want to do it again.
You will. And next time, just be gentle. And once we get down to Florida, we'll ditch the wheels and I'll make a sailor out of you. Mark my words.
Wow!
You too, buddy. I just can't get him to talk. It's unusual for his
Eh,
age.
baka naman hindi siya
The heater's
nagsasalita
broken. He's
talaga.
Only makes sense to head for
Baka
Florida
naman
sooner than
pipi
later.
siya, Kenny
Leave all this
boy.
snow behind, right? Be like summer every day. Hell, I'm gonna have to find me some shorts.
Yeah, no kidding. It's freezing outside. The sooner the better for
10-year-old
sure.
No more winters ever again, Clem. I'll teach AJ to fish.
Napiti yung bata dahil sa kaba.
swim.
True. Ang ingay
We'll
kaya
watch
nung
the
bata siya,
sunrise
puro
every
barilan,
morning.
puro...
All three of us. But we ain't
Hindi
getting
pa
nowhere
to
doing
final
25 miles
season.
an hour.
First
Shift her into
episode
third.
pa lang to ng
Let's get her
season
really
3.
cooking. Well, there you go, Clem. Time we get to Florida, you'll be a better
Sana
driver
ganito
than
lang
me.
talaga mag-drive, guys.
Proud of you, Clem.
Thanks for teaching me.
I really appreciate you teaching me.
You know,
Ay, ikaw
I
final
always
na.
dreamed about the day
Nice,
I'd teach
good job,
Duck to
good job.
drive. You're the best second chance I could ask for.
He's literally born in war. True. Ulo,
Where's
ulo
your
siya.
blanket, goofball?
Iyak na siya.
I swear this kid never makes a peep. Who knows how long he's gone without a blanket?
Thank you for
Duck
following,
was gabbing a
Chuck.
mile a minute at his age. Wasn't full sentences, but it was something.
There's nothing wrong with AJ. He'll talk when he's ready.
Good boy, yes.
I
Let's
know.
go.
Just a bit odd for a child his age. Then again, Albert Einstein didn't talk till he was 4, and look how he turned out.
Crap!
Hello.
I got it. Turn the
Hello.
wheel.
Shims. Gising.
AJ? Oh, God. You're okay.
Hello.
Kenny?
Hello. Hello, ang layo. Humihinga pa, guys.
Oh my God. Kenny, I'm so sorry.
Is it AJ
Oh my
okay? Shit. Help me up.
Grabe, guys. Kawawa naman si Kenny. Oh,
I don't feel anything.
no.
That's good.
Clem, I don't feel anything. I can't feel my legs. I just can't get up. God damn it!
I can get you into the car.
I don't... Shit! This ain't gonna work, Clem. Hey! Hey! Stay away from him! You gotta go help AJ, Clem.
No.
I ain't letting you watch those fuckers chew me up.
No, I won't give up on you.
No, Clementine, no! There's no point!
Oh, ah, no!
Not today, you son of a bitch! Go!
No!
Don't look back!
AJ, come on.
Guys,
Hey, Clem. We almost there.
naiinis ako.
Hey, Clem.
Ay, Shems.
Yeah, we're close.
Ang
I
ganda
gotta say, I
talaga.
hope you people are safe and sound. Eleanor asked me before we left to make sure of it.
Oh, yeah?
Yes, sir. So that's what I'm gonna do. Though why she went to bat for you, I've got no idea.
Bakit namatay
I mean, she
siya?
hardly even knows you. And you don't know her, for that matter.
There's not much mystery to it, Trip. She's a good human being.
Nakakainis.
Eleanor's got a big heart. That's for damn sure.
Ang bigat naman.
Guys,
Naiinis naman ako kay
that's
Kenny,
the place.
guys.
Oh, shit.
What a mess.
Iiyak na yan. Tapos na tayo umiyak no last season, guys. Mas more build up yun. Pero kasi,
Jesus.
nakakainis.
Must
Gusto
have
ko
been
pa ng
hundreds
time
of them.
with Kenny.
Kate's good in a crisis. She'd know how to get shelter.
What's that?
Thank you for following, Luck. Pagdagdag stress daw. Yes, true. Ano yan? Ba't may candy bar ako nakita? Ah, may hawak akong candy bar. If you stay that well done. Totoo ba?
Mariana's tape player.
Hayaan mo, nasa bracket lang
Mariana?
kami ni Lee at Kenny.
Mariana, are you here?
Sino nga ba si Chuck?
Javi,
Oh
Hindi
my
lang po
God.
kasi alam
You're
kung
safe.
anong fate ni Kenny.
I can't believe it.
Opo.
You told me where to hide.
Okay.
I just listened to what you
Sa
said.
bagay, hindi kasama.
Lock yourself
Dahil
in
sa
and don't come
pagdadrive
out,
to
not
ni,
even once
yan
it's
eh,
quiet.
ni Clem.
It kept running through my head like on a loop.
Did they hurt you?
Thank
Are
you
you
for
okay?
the rose,
I
Jay.
hate before they could get to
Jay!
me. I'm
Nakita
fine.
na kita.
Really.
Ang cute-cute
Kate,
mo dito.
And your brother, where are they?
We got pulled apart when that huge bunch of muertos showed up. Kate yelled that they were gonna try to make it back to the van.
And that's where we're headed.
Let's go find your brother, sweetheart.
Yes, grabe talaga si Bridge,
no.
guys. Sino nga ba si Chuck?
No sign of them. They must have seen it like this,
Na-
then gone
narinig
someplace
ko
else to
na siya
hide.
kasi. Boring pala na season 3. Puro usap ba? Hulaan mo, aray ko. Thank you for following,
Ariana,
CJ.
stay
Bitch and Thor combined, true. Hey. Mas madali yung controls ngayon. Pero kapag naglalaro ng mga ganitong
Javi,
ano,
you
mga
found
Left 4
us.
Dead ganito,
Hey,
puro mas trip ko yung mga
okay.
ano,
I got you.
mga melee
you happy
weapon.
to see me?
At least ganun lang ako. Kiss gate. Yes! Yes!
Gross. Come on. I think we get a pass.
I wanted to come after you. I swear I did.
You don't have to snot all over my shirt about it.
I thought we were dead. Like, never gonna see you again dead. We only had a couple bullets left.
No way I would let that happen.
Yeah, well, you weren't here.
Either way naman
The
pinatay
herd
na
showed up
character
and
ni Kenny
Mariana was gone,
ano
and
piliin
we
mo
were
sa
waiting
dalawa.
and waiting, and then I was just so
Thank you
scared.
for following Odyssey.
Hey, you hurt yourself.
Guys,
Slipped in the truck.
nakakatawa kasi. Bakit kasi nila nilalagay yung options na
Not much we can do
gano'n?
about it here.
I've got a lady friend who's a doctor.
Kaya
Soon as we
natutuwa
get back
ako
to
pag
Prescott, she'll patch you
binibili
right
ko yun.
I'm Trip, by the way. Pleasure to make your acquaintance.
We should be getting back. Don't want to push her luck.
Who's the kid? She have a name you want to share with us? Or are you gonna make me do my own introductions?
She saved my life. Pulled this crazy stunt. Let me get the upper hand on the asshole who took me away from you guys. Her name's Clementine.
Hi there. Glad I was able to help.
Well, we're very grateful to you. Really.
Kaya nga bakit kasi
There's a time
nilalagay yung option na
It's
yun?
safe.
Di ba? Happy siya.
I like the sound of
Yes,
that.
tama ba? Tama na. Tapos later, hindi mo sure. Baka tumawa pa
Oh my
din
God.
ako later.
Javi, do they have hot water?
At if nagstay
Even,
ka sa
like,
Wellington,
lukewarm
mabubuhay
water
si
would be
Candy.
okay.
Hindi! Mamamatay
And
siya.
bubble bath. Wouldn't bubble bath be amazing?
I'm sure they do.
I'm gonna stay in until my fingers get all pruny.
Between you and me, these kinds of missions don't usually go so well. But you found every single one of your people. And you found them alive, healthy, reasonably cheerful.
Guess I'm a lucky guy.
Luckier than anyone I've ever met.
Ganda talaga ni Clem. Yes, yes, yes.
When we get back to Prescott,
Sorry,
you still owe me a
nagkapatid
working
mo
ride.
ate. Grabe yun.
I haven't forgotten about our
Hindi,
deal.
guys.
You couldn't have known what happened to your van, but still, I need some way out of here.
That van was the only ride I had to
Kasi
lead on.
nga, natatawa ako
Maybe it's
sa
time to
fact na
renegotiate.
nilagay nila yung
I know it's
option
not
na
the
yun. So,
easiest thing to
hindi
find,
ko na
but
binasa yung
cool.
ibang options. Pinili ko kagad yung option na yun. Sabi nga nila, never know your next move. Yes.
Thanks.
Uy! Sino yun?
Fucking thieves! You really thought you could just walk back in here like nothing happened?
think so?
Bakit na itsura niya?
Javi, we can't leave her.
Oh, ay, ang galing ng batang iri. Shit.
Stop! Stop!
Javi, help! Do something, Javi! Just do something!
Go!
Diba, hindi tayo natamaan guys kasi tayo yung bida.
Jesus, I'm so...
She just...
Why
I
you
know,
laugh?
Harvey.
Bryce, the
There'll be
next
time for
season
all
why
that,
you laugh.
but not right now. Kate needs a doctor.
Hindi mo
Which means
talaga
we gotta go. We got a window here, man. We gotta get a move on before they start shooting again.
I can't leave her like this. I won't.
You wanna die too? You think that's gonna help your little girl? Then get the fuck up and help me. It's time to go, man.
We stay here and we finish this.
Hi,
Fucking nuts.
mommy.
We gotta get the fuck out of here
They
right
already
now.
killed one of you. If we don't stop them, they're gonna come
Huwag
after
ka
your
manood,
family
ma.
again. Let Trip help them. You stay with me.
What? No, Javi, you have to come with us. Javi, please!
Trust me, Javi. We have to end this now.
No, Javi, please come with us.
Get her back to Prescott. We'll cover you.
Javi!
Go with them. I'll be fine.
Give me a hand here, kid.
Just keep firing until they're out of sight, okay?
Basta kung ano desisyon ni Clem, doon tayo guys. Ma, barila na naman to, ma. Clem kasi
Javi,
tayo.
don't!
Yes, tayo yun eh. Patawa! Oh, yes! Nice one! Ano nangyari? Yun na yun? Yun na yun? What? What? Yun na yun, guys? Do you shoot the driver to let him go? Ano to? Ang weird. Ah, madami nag-yes. Okay. Yun na yun? 1 hour pa lang, guys, oh. What was the aftermath after the shooting? Okay, lahat tayo kumampi. Okay. Who brought you to the junkyard? Oh, maraming gusto naman there. Did you escape with your family or stay with Clementine? Okay, tama yan, tama yan. Tama yan, guys. Galing tayo, magaling tayo. Basta kung anong sasabihin ni Clem, tuta tayo ni Clem, guys. Tapusin lahat ng season 3 and Terra. Dapat Yoshi, ikaw talaga mag-gameplay ng ganyan. Mabilisan. Aray ko.